Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Smart English Podcast.
Hi there. So great to be here with you all.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex.
Today, we have a really exciting topic for you. Something that can truly make a big difference in your everyday life. It's about how small daily actions can lead to amazing changes.
Yeah, it's about those tiny things we do every day that can actually change everything. You know, sometimes we think we need to do big, difficult things to improve our lives, but often it's the little habits, the simple things we do consistently that have the most power.
That's right. We're talking about small daily routines that change your life. I love that idea, Alex. It's like building a big house. You don't start with the roof, right? You start with one brick, and then another, and then another. Small steps, big results.
Exactly, and it's so true. For our A1, A2 learners, this is perfect because these routines are easy to understand and easy to start. They don't require a lot of time or special skills, just a little bit of consistency.
So, Alex, let's jump right into it. Do you have a small daily routine that has really made a difference for you personally? Something simple that had a big impact?
Oh, absolutely, Mia. I have one that comes to mind immediately. For a long time, I used to wake up and immediately check my phone. Emails, social media, everything. It felt like I was starting my day already behind, always rushing and reacting to what was on the screen.
Yes, I know that feeling. It's like the world is already waiting for you before you even had your coffee. It can be very stressful first thing in the morning.
Exactly. So my small routine changed to this. I now wake up and I don't touch my phone for the first 30 minutes. Instead, I make my bed, I drink a glass of water, and I just sit quietly for 5 minutes. Maybe look out the window or just close my eyes. That's it. It's super simple, really easy to do.
Wow, that sounds so calming and intentional. And what kind of change did you notice from this simple routine? How did it make your days different?
The change was huge. I feel much more relaxed and focused. My mornings are calmer. I feel like I'm in control of my day, not my phone controlling me. It's like I have more energy because I'm not already stressed or overwhelmed. It sounds like a tiny thing, but it made a massive difference to my mood and productivity throughout the entire day.
That's fantastic, Alex. It really shows how a small shift can create a big impact. For me, a small routine that changed my life involves reading. I used to think I needed to read a whole chapter or even a whole book to learn something or make progress. But now, every evening, I just read for 10 minutes before I go to sleep. It doesn't matter what it is, a newspaper article, a short story, or just a few pages of a book.
That's a great one, Mia, and it's so achievable, right? Just 10 minutes. Anyone can find 10 minutes, even if you have a busy day.
Totally. And what I found is even those 10 minutes add up. I learn new words, I relax, and I feel like I'm always growing a little bit. It's not about finishing a book quickly. It's about the consistent habit of reading. It's about enjoying the process, not just the destination.
That's the key word there, consistent. I think that's why these small routines are so powerful. It's not about doing something huge once a month. It's about doing something small regularly every single day or almost every day.
Right. It's about showing up every day. Think about it. If you drink a glass of water every morning, that's 365 glasses of in a year. If you learn one new English word every day, that's 365 new words in a year. That's incredible for our learners. It's a huge vocabulary boost.
Absolutely. Or if you just take a 5-minute walk outside every day, you get fresh air, you move your body, it helps clear your mind and boost your energy. These things really add up and improve your overall well-being.
They do. So, for our listeners, what would be your advice on starting a small daily routine? How can they begin today?
My advice would be to start incredibly small. Don't try to change 5 things at once. Pick just one thing. Maybe it's drinking a glass of water, or making your bed, or stretching for 2 minutes. Something so easy that you almost can't say no to it. And try to do it at the same time every day. That helps make it a habit, a natural part of your day.
That's excellent advice, Alex. Make it so easy you can't fail. And don't worry if you miss a day. Just start again the next day. It's about progress, not perfection. Every little bit counts. Okay, before we wrap up, let's learn a few useful words and phrases from today's topic, because these are great for your English vocabulary. Our first one is routine.
A routine is a usual way of doing things, the things you do regularly. For example, my routine includes coffee and reading the news every day.
Next, we have habit.
Habit is something you do often, almost without thinking, because you've done it many times. Like brushing your teeth is a good habit you should do twice a day.
And how about make a difference?
To make a difference means to improve a situation or change something in a positive way. Even a small act of kindness can make a difference in someone's day, making them feel happier.
Great examples, Alex. And one more. Add up.
When things add up, it means they increase over time or combine to have a significant effect. Like all those small daily efforts, like learning new words, really add up to big success in your English learning.
So, to recap, small daily routines can truly change your life by building good habits and bringing positive changes over time. Remember Alex's advice: start small and be consistent.
That's right. Pick one tiny thing and try it for a week. See how it feels and how it impacts your day.
We hope this episode inspires you to start your own small daily routine. Thank you so much for listening to the Smart English Podcast.
We really appreciate you joining us. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more English learning content, and leave a comment below telling us what small routine you want to start.
We love hearing from you. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.